Hi, dear teachers, my dear students, and my friends. Today I would like to teach you about all tenses. In the English language, we have 12 subtenses such as simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Already we have learned about all these tenses with structures in our previous sessions. Now let us take one verb in order to use that verb in all these structures in order to have the command over these structures very attentively and effectively. If you take the same verb by using that verb in all these structures, you will definitely have the command over the language in order to become the fluent speakers of the language. Now I am going to put one verb in all the structures. By using that verb I am going to communicate in English now. Let us see. I speak in English every day. I am speaking in English at present. I have spoken in English just before. I have been speaking in English for 10 minutes. I spoke in English yesterday. I was speaking in English by this time yesterday. I had spoken in English before you spoke in English. I had been speaking in English till yesterday. I shall speak in English tomorrow. I shall be speaking in English by this time tomorrow. I shall have spoken in English by this time next month. I shall have been speaking in English for 10 years by next year. In such a way, we can use the same verb in all structures of those 12 tenses. If you practice like this every day by taking different verbs and by using these verbs in all structures of three main tenses such as present tense, past tense, and future tense, you will become the fluent speakers of the language. There is no doubt at all. Okay? In my next session, I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.